We are in Chiang Rai, Thailand, and this is Dream Country House. We want to show you this nice place. We fell in love at once because it has so nice styling, different colors, yellow, blue, pink. This is really perfect place for have a rest. Let's go. We have here table and chairs. You can enjoy your evening or morning or just watch the nature. We have a lot of animals here, birds, cats, dogs. It's so nice. Let's go. We are in. So as you see, yellow house. Yellow is outside and inside. Everything is yellow and match each other. I love this interior so much. It's simple. It's made from woods. You can see the structure of wood. It's of course a thin house. Kinda you can have such house just in warm climate because in Ukraine you can't have such house. So it's our like a living room and bedroom. What do we have? We have big bed. We have table. You can work. It's very important. As you know, we're digital nomads and we are looking for places where you can have a table. Side tables, you can keep there some small things. And you can see it's also decorated so nice, like country cozy style.
Yeah.
Also some decoration in the middle. I know that when you turn the light, you can have lighting there. You can see it can go like down and up. So it's dimmer. I hope in English it's also dimmer. In Russian definitely dimmer. We have also here some flowers and napkin cups. Can do our tea. If we will buy tea, we can have it. wooden spoon. Super cool. I love it. Let's take a look on our window view. I think it's also worth to show. This is nice view. Nothing bother your eyes. Just green grass, several trees, bushes. I know that on the left side we have kinda banana field. All around some exotic fruits growing here. It's so nice. And exactly this window has this special mosquito net. So you can open your window and enjoy fresh air. This is our wardrobe.
I see myself in the mirror.
This is so good, so good. You have these hangers. Look at them. I didn't see such fun. Actually, so cute. Really didn't see before. Our landlords, definitely creative people. Everything that we learn about their life, it says that they're hard workers and they have high level of creativity and taste. So thanks for them, we can enjoy it. And this is our bathroom. Yeah. It's made in a gray colors. They use such a tile with a pattern and big mirror. I think everyone loves big mirror in the bathroom.
It's nice. Alright, cool, go ahead.
And here we have a big shower. And by the way, I saw something in our details. Shower cap. Do you know what is this?
I have no idea, never used it.
Let's try. Okay, I'm ready. Let's continue. This is our shower. Okay, I'm joking. I will not get showered. Got my clothes back. Let's continue in living room. This is so fresh, so cool. I really love this bed. It's so comfortable. Bed sheet is matching all our style of this living room. And definitely I can say that we could live here a month or 2 months. Yeah?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
Also, I want to show you a blue house.
Let's go.
Okay, we are closing our house just with pushing the button. Look at this key. It's so cute. I'm pretty sure it's handmade. It makes so warm this place. By the way, Engin enjoyed this area so much because he is parkour guy in the past, so he can enjoy it as much as possible. Bravo! We have neighbors in a pink house. So this is blue house.
We're also excited because we haven't seen it
We
yet.
didn't see, yeah.
Let's
Maybe
go.
something else there. Okay. Yeah. It looks similar. I see the same, blue inside.
Only different, yeah.
Actually, yeah, what we expected. And by the way, we booked this house by Airbnb. At Airbnb on the picture was blue one, but our landlords gave us yellow, and I'm happy because it's also like sunny, you know, like good mood. Blue a little bit different. It's like with a sea mood. Yeah, I think we have the same here, so we can come back to our yellow house. Look at this chair and table. It's like elephants. You can see elephants. It's funny. I'm happy with that we choose these houses. The cost of this house is $31 per night, and we have our breakfast included. You can see that we don't have kitchen, but Landlords has nice, so good cafe. They are so nice. They're working from 8 morning and till 8 p.m. Cafe looks like also these houses. It's perfect.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next house tour. Bye.
See you.